Hello my dear students, this is the question 6 of exercise 8.2. Convert the given person to decimal fraction and also fraction in simplest form. So what we have to do, students, over here? We have to convert as a fraction. Now you know, if we have to convert as a percentage, then we have to multiply. If we have to convert as a decimal, then what we have to do? Yes, divided by 100. Okay. So first one is 25%. We have to convert as a decimal fraction and fraction. It means percentage is given and we have to convert into fraction and decimal fraction. So here we have to divide with 100. Okay, why with 100? Because percentage is always on 100. So first we are converting in decimal. So 25 divided by 100. Okay, now in decimal it's after 1 how many 0? 2. So we have to keep the decimal point after 2 digit. So 1, 2. So here 0.25. Clear, student? Now fraction. So 25 divided by 100, because we want to remove the sign of the percentage. That's why we have to divide with 100. Divide with 100. Now we have to write as a fraction. Okay, it means we want the numerator and denominator both, but in simplest form. Which form? Simplest form. So here check. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Yes? Okay. So direct cut 25, 25. What is the remaining? 1 by 4. So this one is our answer. Here this one is our answer. Clear, students? Okay. Now B1. What is given? 150 percentage. We want to remove the sign of percentage. It means we have to divide with the 100. Whenever we want the sign of percentage, then we have to multiply with the 100. Okay. So here we want to remove. So it means we have to divide with the 100. So in decimal, 150 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. Here 1, 0. So we have to keep the point after 1 digit. So after 5 we have to keep over here point. So this is the, don't keep over here. Okay, students, I am showing just for your explanation. This is the 1.5. Clear? Now as a fraction, 150 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. What is the remaining? 15 and 10. Very easy. 5 3s are, 5 2s are. Okay, so 3 by 2. If you are not able to do directly, then do 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 0, 0 cancel. What is the remaining? This is our answer. Clear, students? So C and D, please try to do by yourself. Now question number 7. What is our question number 7, student? In city, 30% are female. What is given? 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. Remaining are children. What percent are children? So here we have to find the percentage of children. So here write females. How many? 30%. Male 40%. We have to find children. We know children? No. So put the question mark. We have to find as a percentage only. Okay. So here percent is always on. Yes, 100. So here my children is equal to 100 minus male plus females. Okay, total percentage is on 100. So we have to find percentage on always 100. So total person are 100. Male plus female plus children is equal to 100%. So from the 100%, if we will subtract the male and female, then we get easily of the children. So here 100% divided by 30% plus 40%. So 100% minus 30 plus 40 is a 70%. 100 minus 70, this one is a 30%. Okay, so how many percentage of the children? Yes, is the 30%. Clear, students? Again I repeat, it is a given 30% are female, 40% are males. We have to find the percentage of the children. How we can find? We know percentage is always on 100. So here total percentage are 100. From the 100 we have to subtract the males and females percentage. So here 30 plus 40 we have to subtract from the 100. 100 minus 70, what is the remaining? 30. So in a village or in a town, 30% are female, 40% are male and 30% are children. Understood? Now question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. How many voted? 60%. Find the percentage of voter who did not vote. Okay. So total constituency, how many? 15,000. Total voters are 15,000. From this total, how many vote? 60%. How many vote? 60% vote. Okay. We have to find how many are not vote. Yes, easily we can find. Total percentage is 100. So total minus what? Okay, is equal to remaining. So did not vote. So here write did not vote. Okay, so 15,000 is on 100. So how many voted? 60%. So how many did not vote? So did not vote is equal to 100% minus 60%. It means 40% people did not vote. Only 60% people vote. Understood? Okay. Now, can you now find how many actually did not vote? Yes, easily we can find how many people. This is the percentage. Now we have to find how many people did not vote. So total people how many? 15,000 voters. Okay. So it means 100 is equal to 15,000 voters. 100% is equal to 15,000 voters. So we have to find how many did not vote. So this is a 40%. 40% how many? We don't know. Put the question mark. Understood, students? Why we did over here 100%? Because percentage is always on 100. It means whatever we have, the total is on 100. Okay. Now cross multiplication. 40 multiplied by 15,000 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. What is the remaining? 40 multiplied by 150. 15 4s are 60. How many 0? 2000. So how many voters did not vote? 6,000 voters did not vote. So down you have to write this statement. Total 6,000 voters did not vote. Understood, students? So first we have to find the percentage. How many percent did not vote, and then we have to find the how many voters did not vote. Clear? So this is a very easy, students. Okay, you have to use the cross multiplication method, then it's a very easy. Now question number 9. What's the question number 9? Mita saves 4,000. What is the savings of Mita? 4,000 from her salary. If this is the 10% of salary, what's her salary? So how many she saves? So she saves rupees 4,000, and this 4,000 is 10% of salary. Okay, so 10% is equal to 4,000 rupees. We have to find her salary. It means total salary we have to find. This is only savings, but we have to find the total salary. Total, it means 100%. Understood? So 10% is equal to rupees 4,000. So 100% is equal to, we don't know. Okay, so 100 cross multiplication, multiply by 4,000, divide by 10. 0, 0, cancel. 4 ones are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 0. So what is her total salary? Rupees 40,000. So write down what's her total salary. Total Mita's salary is rupees 40,000. So you have to write in words down statement you have to write. Understood, students? Now it's very easy. Okay. Now 10th one. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one session. How many? 20 matches in one session. So here one session is equal to how many? 20 matches. Okay. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Okay, 25% of them. It means total matches how many? 20. Total matches how many they played? 20. So whenever 100 is there, then 20 matches. Understood, student? Understood? 100% is equal to 20 because it's the total. We have to find 25% of them because 25% of them they won. So what's about the 25? I will keep away a percentage sign. Okay. So we don't know. Put the question mark. See students, one thing you have to remember, what is total is given. This is always on 100. So 100 total matches. How many they played? Yes, 20. So 100% is equal to 20. From these 20 matches, they won the 25%. So 25% per how many matches they won, we have to find. Okay, we don't know, put question mark. Now the very easy cross multiplication, 25 multiply by 20, divide by 100. 25 4s are 100, 4 5s are 20. Understood, students? So here how many matches? 5 matches. So down you have to write the statement, they won 5 matches. If you don't know this cancellation, students, 25 multiply by 20 divide by 100, you can do like this way also. 25 ones are 25, 25 4s are 100. Cancellation 25, 25. What is the remaining over here? 20 ones are 20. Denominator 4. Again you can do 5 4s are 20 and 4 ones are 4. 5 4 4 cancel. So here my answer is 5 matches. Clear? So this way you have to write in your notebook. Please students, write with the nice handwriting. Make your notebook clean. Okay? Thank you.